He's setting
Here's some.
Oh.
Wait, that's
Frosting.
it doesn't say cream cheese. Mom wanted cream cheese.
Oh, it's up there.
Creamy
Cream cheese.
whipped cream cheese.
Oh. Yeah. Let's go buy it. Oh, yeah, we're fine.
We gotta go to the register.
No.
Yeah. There's a lot of people in line.
Where am I going?
The only register that's open.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Nana, you can't do that.
Yeah. Turn around. You want your money?
I'm taking with this.
Manna, this is worth $5. We're at Loud and Proud. Turn around.
That says free check.
Watching you.
Okay, call the camera so
You can't go one way or another. It's a $5 bet. Yeah, and she's got to wear this thing in the store the whole time for $5. Man, turn around.
Hello. Very nice.
Yeah, it's a $5 bet.
Dad, I would do it for $10 or $5.
I wouldn't do it for $10. $5 though.
Okay, $12 for $5.